And tonight, investigators are trying to figure out what caused a driver to plow through a crowd outside of a music venue in Los Angeles.
Because nothing says vibe check like standing between a taco cart and a valet stand on Santa Monica Boulevard at 2 a.m. Welcome to Radical Stance Media. Burst onto the scene as the ultimate channel for bold, unapologetic content that demands attention.
And tonight, investigators are trying to figure out what caused a driver to plow through a crowd outside of a music venue in Los Angeles.
It's 2 a.m. in East Hollywood, where the music stops but the madness begins. Unbelievable, you'd never expect something like this.
And tonight, investigators are trying to figure out what caused a driver to plow through a crowd outside of a music venue in Los Angeles. It happened early this morning. 30 people are now hurt and nearly 24 were transported to hospitals.
The LAPD says the driver of this gray Nissan rammed his car into a crowd outside of a club in East Hollywood as the club was closing at 2 a.m.
It sounds like he had one too many.
Victims down from Santa Monica, Vermont.
Investigators say 29-year-old Fernando Ramirez was escorted out of the club, drove away, and then made a U-turn and drove onto the sidewalk, crashing into clubgoers, valets, and food vendors at the Vermont Hollywood music venue, knocking down this taco stand.
Escorted out of the club, but not out of the drama. Fernando Ramirez decided the sidewalk was the new dance floor. Everyone was looking for their phones, their friends, their dignity. Meanwhile, 124 firefighters showed up like it was Coachella for trauma.
Officials say at least 124 firefighters were dispatched to what they call a mass casualty event.
We saw a large number of traumatic injuries. So these are injuries that are associated with being struck by a vehicle. So we had broken bones, we had soft tissue injuries, and they're all varying levels of traumatic injuries.
The LA Fire Department says most of the victims were women.
One was hit by vehicle, another one had gashes in her entire leg.
After the car stopped, bystanders dragged the driver out of the vehicle and attacked him. At some point during that altercation, police say the driver was shot.
Because when a car hits a crowd, the crowd hits back. And someone brought a silver revolver to a street fight.
The driver was shot. The gunman still at large. The driver was taken to the hospital where he underwent surgery. He was later booked into jail by the LAPD for assault with a deadly weapon.
I don't want to die home. I don't want to die home. Please. Don't make me burn down. Oh, please, I got me. Please, don't kill me, please.